So this is going to be my honest review of Digital Boss Academy, which is a digital affiliate marketing and PLR community. So it's for beginners to teach you high income skills on how to make income online. So it's good for entrepreneurs, anybody who's looking for a side hustle, who wants to start a business, who is thinking about, leaving their 9 to 5 or whatever. It's good for you if you're wanting to change the situation that you're in or make some extra income. So I don't want to make this extremely long, but I do want to give you a walkthrough of the community and kind of give you a feel of what it's like whenever you come into this community. Also asking or answering your questions as far as, was it worth the money? Does it actually help you gain the skills to make income and not just by selling the course? Also, some other questions that were, um, does it teach you how to create digital products? Um, it's quite a few questions, but I want to try to cover all of that really quick because I don't really like the videos like this to be too long. I want to try to make it straight and to the point. So, basically, I decided to go with this course community for one because it seemed like that it was the most helpful. It didn't seem like a course that was just teaching you how to sell a course inside of this course community. It is actually teaching you several different ways that you can make income online and not just by reselling the course, as well as I was excited about the idea of having master resale rights. So volume one is the one that has master resale rights, which means that anytime that you sell it, if you choose to, that you will receive 100% of the profit. So that's a plus, as well as so we're going to go inside the classroom, and this is some of the modules. And like I said, I only have volume one, so these are the modules that you'll get outside of volume one. So I highly recommend whenever you come into these course communities that you really jump into the modules. Don't just in the beginning try to start selling, because first you need to know what you're doing. You need to know, about the product that you're talking about, because that is what's going to help you sell it by your own experiences and how it's been helping you. So my favorite modules are specifically all of the ones by Richard. So he does the mindset mastery, the core fundamentals. He does the 6 figure story selling playbook. Um, and I think he's got a few others, but those are my favorite. So I highly recommend you for sure go through those, because your mindset has a lot to do with, being able to stay in this space. And because it's not just a walk in the park, especially if you're a complete beginner. But so to answer the question of was it worth the money, I honestly feel like this course has been a gold mine, because the community is very active, and I'll even show you inside of the calendar. So in this community, there's almost a live every single day, and you see, exceptionally with Saturdays they don't have lives, but outside of that, you're able to join live trainings. So if you have any questions, you will have someone that can help you answer those questions and different things like that. And even whenever they're not having lives, you can come over to the community and look through the different tabs, and you're able to connect with other people that are also, going through the same course. So that also helps, especially in the beginning. It helps to, have people that can kind of give you a boost and kind of explain things and help you out. Um, and then I also love to go through the share your wins tab. So this is just where everybody shares their wins. So it doesn't matter what it is, it's not all just income based wins. A lot of people have never created content before, and DBA has helped them be able to do that. A lot of people have never created their own digital products and things like that, ebooks, and Digital Boss has helped them do that. So I just like to go and look at these, and I'm going to filter it to new as well so that you can see the most recent. Um, so I'll read this one. Celebrating my first 10K. You're next. I'm so thrilled to share this with my family and the DBA community. I've just achieved my first 10K. This journey has been a mix of patience, learning, consistent action. For over a month, I've been applying strategies, showing up daily, and trusting the process. And today, it all paid off. What makes this moment even sweeter is that I've also been able to cover my bills stress free. That sense of relief and accomplishment is priceless. And so, for the most part, like, though you see a lot of wins in this community. And so, that's also what, made me excited to jump into this community. Um, but also, so we're going to go back inside of the classroom, and I will show you a little bit. So these are videos. Majority of them are videos, and they go into detail. It's no fluff in these videos. So, once they start the video, whatever it's talking about is going into detail about what it's supposed to. And I love that about it. And I love, the realness of the video. So I'm gonna take you to the one that I'm talking about too. And that is under and as you can see also while we're scrolling, that I haven't even clicked on volume 1 yet. So this is everything that you get even before you get into volume 1. So going into mastering social media. So if you're not familiar with social media, you don't post content, you haven't posted content, you don't know how to post content, this is the module that you want to get into. And it has each different platform. So Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Threads, Facebook, LinkedIn. So whichever one you want to learn more about, you're able to go into here and dive into that. So like I said, the real and raw video content is the type that I like because that feels real. And I can follow right along with these videos. So for example, where she is teaching you how to where's that? So there is also a Kickstart guide, as you saw that. So yeah, right here. So for reals, she's holding her phone and she's showing you exactly step by step how to create reels. So I love that. That is, or those are a few of my the things that I love about it. Also, that you get your own bot. So there's a specific bot for Digital Boss Academy. So if you have any questions, you can also pull up your bot. So whenever you click on that and you just click down here, it's going to open up in your chat GPT. It's going to upload that bot into your chat GPT. So any questions, wanting to learn how to find something or looking for something inside of the community, you can ask the bot. If you need help with sending DMs, learning how to do that. If you need content ideas, you can ask the bot as well. So basically, this this course community, I recommend it because for one, I wasn't on Instagram, or I didn't know how to post on Instagram. I was just posting random content and nothing was working. But whenever I went through this module, specifically the 6-figure story selling playbook, this is what gave me the complete outline. And so even right here, you can download this Google Doc, and it is going to teach you exactly what you need to do, creating your highlights, how to create the content that actually gets you leads, makes you sales and stuff like that. And this one is very valuable, which they're all valuable, of course, depending on what you're wanting to do. But this is one of my favorite ones because I wanted to learn how to, get back on Instagram and actually make something happen. And so this is the module that has done that. But within each module, I'm going to take you into volume 1 real quick as well. And so this is everything that is inside of the actual DBA volume 1. So it shows you how to upload DBA if you're going to be doing Master Resell Rights, or if you're going to be selling it as affiliate. If you're not going to be selling it at all, then you don't have to be, concerned about that part. It's going to go over email marketing, how to use CapCut, how to use SEO, UGC content, if you're wanting to learn more about affiliate marketing. And so underneath each one of these, there are different different things that you're going to learn. So it's so much value inside of this course for a fraction of the price that it would cost, for you to actually go to school and learn all of these different things. So um, I want to make sure that I've kind of covered everything. But yeah, so um, I recommend it if, like I said, if you're a complete beginner and you're wanting to learn how to make some extra income. This community is very helpful with just with just their lives within itself. So just that right there, that's like having a one-on-one every single day. That's like having, coaching every single day, as well as having the classroom. Whenever you put something in the classroom, 9 times out of 10, somebody's going to respond to you. I mean, the community. Whenever you put something in the community, 9 times out of 10, somebody's going to respond back to you. So you also have a Spanish chat, a French chat, and there are also some modules that are also in Spanish and Somali. But even on this second tab, so you can see DBA has its own merch. So if you want to rock the DBA merch, you're able to purchase it there. It shows you how to do sports betting, health and healing. Airbnb, it has it for the UK as well as the US. So Scrubs to Six Figures, ebooks with AI, digital wealth code mastery, in which some of this stuff, it looks like they've added a few more because I don't remember seeing them, and I check this thing often. So I'm gonna have to go check those out. But yeah, let's dive in real quick to the PLR vault. Yeah, so if you're concerned about not having your own products, you're able to come in here and you can pick. So whatever your niche is, you can come in here and pick a product. And whenever you click it, it's just going to open right up into your Canva. You're able to customize it like it's your own product. And once you learn how to, do sales and marketing and stuff like that, then you will be good to go. But I absolutely love being in this community. I'm glad that I decided to invest in this course. I will leave the link to it below if you want to check it out. If you have any questions, if you like content like this, be sure that you drop a comment below and let me know. And I'll see you in the next one.